Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto E6S, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when your app is ready, open it. Now you can mute the music by tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner, and then select those three lines at the bottom right one. Now click on Settings at the top and choose I accept in the First Things First pop-up. Then you can adjust all of those options however you wish to. Now finally click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Click on Set Wallpaper at the top right corner and click on the best option for you, in my case home screen only. When you're ready, swipe up, click on Home button, and as you can see, after that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!